Efficiency gains, cost savings, those percentages that you're looking at 5 years ago, you'd be like, this is ridiculous. How could you possibly achieve those? But they're achievable with successful companies because of AI and because of applications. How the heck is it that AI can actually provide those types of stats? But it's the people that make those statistics possible. How are we going to reduce cost? An important one is hyperautomation. John?
The operational cost, we see that we can reduce up to 30% of the cost. Projects rolling out hyperautomation resulted in increased revenue, especially in manufacturing. If you can produce more for less and ship it faster and do it with less people, we're going to definitely have increased revenue, and it helps your bottom line. You see these 30 to 50% reductions in machine downtime, 48% cost saving.
Having AI is a new reality now. People who resist the AI is a story like the horse in the car.
We underestimate the impact of staffing in AI. There's an employee shortage in the US. We have to do more with less, and we have to bring production costs down. So this is absolutely critical for us as we move from Industry 4.0 to Industry 5.0. Taking this at the 50,000 foot level, if you're building a new facility or you have a current facility, our services of Enhanced International Group with our different partners includes a site assessment. We have the digital twin layout where we can model your system very quickly within those 4 to 6 weeks, come in with site automation specs. You have that integrated ERP and then the AI vision system and then tooling in consumption materials visibility. We do strategic modeling such as tariffs. So we have a full suite of services and capabilities, software as a service, as well as consulting. And we have a group that focuses on change management in your organization. And as an overall view, we like to see the crawl, walk, run approach. We stabilize infrastructure. We deploy ERPs and core modules, and then we move into installing AI. So just want to give you a high level overview on how everything is integrated.